Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing a USB drive formatted as FAT32 for compatibility. Use a 2, 0 or 3, 0 USB drive with available space. On your computer, open a trusted theme site and locate a P3T file. Confirm the file name ends with P3T before downloading. Keep the file size under 250 MB to speed transfers and reduce corruption risk. Save the P3T file in a folder named Ps3 After downloading, open the USB drive on your computer and create required folders. Make a folder named Ps3 in the root of the drive. Inside Ps3, create a folder named Theme and copy the P3T file there. Verify the file size and name after copying to ensure integrity. Safely eject or unmount the USB drive from the computer. Plug the USB drive into a front USB port on your Ps3 console for installation. Power on your Ps3 and sign into your user account on the XMB. Navigate to Settings, then to Theme Settings to view available themes. Choose Theme, then select Theme again to browse installed and USB themes. Your USB drive should appear with the P3T file listed under USB. Highlight the theme file and press X, then choose Install or Apply to enable it. If the theme does not appear, restart the Ps3 and recheck the USB folder structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.